Today I wanted to show you guys the Deadpool masks. I actually created two, and some of you guys thought I just painted the blue one to red. I wanted to show you guys it does have the doohickey in the back. And then for the mask, I actually changed the magnets out, and I made sure that I could swap the lenses between the black and the yellow. As you can see here, they go right onto each other and they fit perfectly. And on top of that, I made sure the seams were better. If you look, there's less gap between the eyes and the mask, and that leads to an overall better look. And I want to show you guys the inside of the mask because you guys are asking how I fit in there, and there it is. I don't know how I do it, I just do it, guys. Also, let me know what color combinations I should do next. And now here's a little try on to just show how it works again, and I think it's really cool. And give me a like, give me a follow if you're new. I'm trying to make it here on YouTube, guys, and every little bit helps me out. Thank you.